Hey friends, you are watching Tips and Tricks Adda, and today I'm going to tell you about the new YouTube policy 2018. If you don't have subscribed my channel, click on subscribe button below the video and also click on the bell button to get all notifications of new videos. The new YouTube policy says that onward January 16, 2018, if any channel is newly made, then it is only eligible for monetization once it reaches 4,000 watches hour and in previously 12 months and 1,000 subscribers. So it means that whose channel have 4,000 watches and 1,000 subscriber will only eligible to monetize their channel. And for older YouTubers, this policy says that till 20 Feb, if they don't have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watches, then they will not eligible for monetization. So this was the new policy of YouTube to monetize our channel. Please tell your views about this policy and please subscribe my channel. So that's all for today. So thank you friends.